5 Best Sewing Machine for Beginners 2018. Here is the product number 5. Janome DC 2014 Computerized Sewing Machine. Color purple. The Janome DC 2014 brings the features you need to complete any project: home December, garment sewing, scrapbooking, or quilting. 50 stitches, including 3 buttonholes, give essential variety for your diverse sewing needs. You'll also find a variety of easy convenience features, including an auto-lock button, easy reverse. Here is the product number 4. Brother Designio Series DZ2400. Introducing the Designio DZ2400 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine, a great machine that will bring out that extra talent you have always wanted to explore. With 185 built-in stitches including 55 alphanumeric stitches, the DZ2400 is a value-oriented quality machine built to expand your sewing and quilting horizons. Here is the product number 3. Janome Magnolia 7318 Sewing Machine. Style name: Janome Magnolia 7318 Sewing Machine. The Janome Magnolia 7318 has wonderful features including 18 built-in stitches, a top-loading bobbin system, 4-step buttonholes and more. The Janome 7318 is an easy-to-use powerful machine. Here is the product number 2. Brother SE400 Combination Computerized. Style name: SE400. The computerized SE400 combination embroidery and sewing machine is designed to help you give your projects a customized, high-end look, all while being priced to fit your budget. Featuring 70 built-in embroidery designs, 67 built-in sewing stitches, 120 frame pattern combinations and 5 embroidery lettering fonts. Here is the product number 1. Singer 7258 100 stitch. Style name: 7258 with 100 stitches and programmable needle. The Singer Stylist 7258 100 stitch computerized sewing machine offers great value because it comes with loads of free accessories. The sewing machine is provided with 100 built-in stitches, making fashion sewing, home and decorative sewing, quilting. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.